Okay, so let's make something boring. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the first deployment to Maven Central Snapshots. And what we are deploying GlassFish 7.1 Snapshot. It should be released in few weeks, but we are still working on that. And what changes we have made? Now what? Hunt tasks. Huh. Aha! It does uploads as the last thing of the build, so last part of the build. So it compiles some not much useful library, and yes, it was the last one. Now it's time for deployment. Okay, so we can watch. It's not much fast, but yeah. Maybe I will make this part faster in the video. Unfortunately, we cannot list directories on Maven Central Snapshots yet. I'll make it bigger. Browsing is not available. It doesn't even work when I list the directory, like Maven Central usual. When I take this one and just delete this, Maven Central usually list the directory in some. The presence of artifacts deployed here is limited. I think Sonatype wrote that it will be around 3 months maximally. So when we deploy something, it will be deleted at some point in time. But as usual, you should not rely on snapshot dependencies at all. Sometimes it's useful to monitor changes in your dependency, which is for you GlassFish, and test your application with the snapshot. And then when something happens, you can create some issue for GlassFish, or you can sponsor some change. Okay, here we go. I have seen GlassFish. So, let's try something. This is a repository of GlassFish 8, but I don't know how to run something smaller, but we are in GlassFish 8.0.0 snapshot, so it doesn't know anything about GlassFish 7.0.7.1.0 snapshot. And I will delete org GlassFish main distributions GlassFish. I will not be so aggressive, but let's do this. Okay, 7.1. Okay. And F. Okay. Now let's do this. Will it find our deployed GlassFish or not? Because yeah, I have set my local mirror. forgot to enable recording, but what I am doing now is I run build in GlassFish 8 and I'm running TCK for Jakarta EE11 for EJB in Jakarta EE11 against GlassFish 7.1.0 snapshot, which is downloaded from Maven Central Snapshots. However, it has the test has so many dependencies, so we have to wait a bit. Also, I should probably still disable all those staging repositories, but you see, I will make it bigger. Here we go. Oh, that's all we wanted to see. Now, some boring stuff. Maybe we can see at least few passing tests. So, I will enable the snapshot repository even on my cache. I'm using Nexus in Docker for caching because my network is sometimes flaky, and especially when I'm running TCK in Docker and running multiple tests in parallel, it's awful. It would need much bigger bandwidth and lower latency, but that's not an option. And yet Maven Central doesn't like when somebody creates like 1,000 HTTP requests at once. So here we go. We are running TCK against GlassFish, downloaded from Maven Central Snapshots. 2 tests passed. Time to stop it. Oh, at least one failed. Finally, this is something we reported to Jakarta TCK because this test is. We are not sure if the test is wrong or our adapter from Omnifish is wrong, but it's under investigation. You see, this is GlassFish 7.1. Jakarta EE tests 10 are passing this GlassFish. Okay, stop. And we are done. So now I will continue to job for releasing an M1.